How to log into Indian Oil Earning. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Earning Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into Indian Oil Earning. Login in Indian Oil Earning is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit Indian Oil Earning, type Indian Oil Earning, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on the first link, it will take you directly to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your mobile number and your password. Input the mobile number associated with your Indian Oil Earning in the designated field. Then enter the password in the provided field. You can also log in with email. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Your Password. Click on Sign In. After entering your credential, click on the Sign In button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.